Silver remained under consolidation throughout this week, stayed bearish, and then the reversal was seen here. I have mentioned in my daily analysis that this is a reversal sign. The bearishness is getting diminished. We can see a possible rise. Now, see, after the reversal, this is the first bullish candle. There is a very strong probability that silver is staying above 2320. Now, look forward to achieving higher highs, and the bullishness might increase with every passing candle here. And what more to expect from silver next week, which position you should take in order to profit. Yes, this is going to be an eventful week. More lot much of volatility can be expected. Not only the war situation is going to define the direction, but also the interest rate decision from Fed, the and non-farm payrolls data from US, also the Bank of Japan and Bank of England interest rate decisions will bring volatility to the prices of silver. So what to expect, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel so that you can stay tuned with the daily updates, daily targets for silver, which I share very early in the day with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel for live updates, and if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a matters to me a lot. With that, let's start. First, we look into four. Now, if you look into 4-hour chart, see much of consolidation was done here. Lower lows was seen. Now, silver is willing to give a breakout. A reversal is seen, and then this flat closing. Now, flat closing is very, very important. This suggests there was bullishness towards the closer of the day. And once it stays above 2320, we can see a major rise. Now, 2320 is the level which I have been following since long, and I had mentioned to you all also that these levels are going to remain critical. Also, if you note, there is a gap there which needs to be filled at around 2340 levels. So yes, beyond 2320, this time we may see a major rise. I will look forward for the prices to hit at around 2380, 2360 zone, which is going to be the greater resistance. And if at any point of time a rise above 24 certainly is going to be a major decisive move here. Now, if you also now let's have a look at the daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? It has retraced here. Reversal sign is seen. First bullish candle. In all means, the chances for it to yield 2 or 3 bullish candles with the increasing body size will be very, very high. Thus, I will expect it to move towards 2380, 24 zone. And in fact, if you look at the complete move here, you will find silver staying in this channel here. The top of this channel on the daily charts is now about 24, which is almost at around 24, 40, 50 levels. And remember, when silver moves, it also gives the move and in a stronger way. It has been long since it has given a stronger move. After the bearishness, it has not done so. So possibly now this time it may try to achieve the highs here at 24, 40, 50 levels. If possible next week, if not then next to next week, because next week may bring volatility. Thus we have to be extremely cautious. However, first 2 days till the FOMC, possibly bullishness may remain. It can try to achieve the highs and then retrace from there. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's also have a look at the weekly charts. See, on the daily charts, another important aspect here is the lower highs. Thus it is important for silver to stay above 24, 2450 zone. Beyond this, certainly we can treat this as a breakout, and the higher highs in the near term can be expected. Coming to the week. On the weekly chart, see the preceding candle, the last candle was a candle of consolidation. Yes, it is almost close in indecision. Higher lows, lower highs are seen. Thus, for it to break about 2320 and then 2350 levels is going to be an important decisive factor here. Now we all know that, see, this zone is a greater resistance. This time it has to break beyond this zone in order to confirm the reversal here. Also, if you look at the weekly charts, you will observe, see, silver is trading in this bearish channel, and this is a good flag formation. Thus, again I am saying any break beyond 25 should be taken up very, very seriously for silver. This time we are looking forward to 28 and $30 levels in the midterm. When I say, it is almost 6 months, possibly it may try to break towards those levels. But right now, if you talk about, yes, first we have to observe 2320, then 2350, then 2380 zone. This 2350, 2380 zone is going to be the decisive factor. Beyond that, sky is the limit for 2420, 2450 levels, and then further. This is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. Now see, on the monthly charts, lower highs, and here also lower lows. So lower lows and lower highs. Now lower highs suggest that it still has the chance in next couple of days to march towards 24, 2450 zone. Yes, it can march towards those levels, close the month at a high in next couple of trading session, and then further bullish momentum may be seen. So next 2 days are going to remain critical for silver. Major bullish momentum can be seen. Then with the Fed and the beginning of the new candle, there could be a slight retracement, and then further bullishness in the coming few sessions cannot be denied. So now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now, indicators on the monthly charts, lower highs, higher lows, zone of consolidation here. Thus, any move beyond this zone here at 25 is going to be the decisive factor for the next month. Probably this month might close at the highs or somewhere here at around 24. So, next 2 days, certainly the bullish momentum may prevail. We have to be watchful there with the selling entries. As long as 2280 is not breached, we should not treat silver as bearish for the next, specifically for next 2 days. And in the next 2 days, while once it achieves highs, there is a probability of a slight retracement. Thus be watchful. 2280 is now the milestone which silver needs to break past by in order to confirm the reverse. Now if you look at the 20 50 100 period moving average, this is the complete zone between $22 to 2290 levels. Yes, this is a good support zone. We have seen silver staying between this zone. Stochastic looking downwards. Stochastic still has the bearishness. The MACD, see MACD is in green. It has not yet crossed over. It has converged. If you look at the MACD here on the monthly charts, see historically it has stayed. See, this was the time when it has stayed below this zone. Else we have seen silver getting a reversal from these same levels, and if you look at the wave here, see first wave, second wave, and third wave is initiating. This might continue for a while. RSI is flat. Coming to the week, on the weekly charts, yes, prices are between 20 50 100 moving average. The greater resistance at 23 23 20, it needs to break past by, and beyond that certainly more bullish momentum beyond 2350 is where the prices will start to diverge, the moving average will start to diverge, and it can show greater momentum there. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD, now see MACD has traded bearish enough on the weekly charts. It is trying to converge, and if you look at the formation rise, retracement, and if it continues to rise, it can yield higher highs here. Thus be watchful. RSI comfortable. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, moving averages have started to converge. Prices is staying above 20 50 100 period moving average. Greater support here at 2260 2280 zone from the 20 and 50 period moving average. This crossover here and here will bring bullishness there. The chances for it to break on the upside will be very very high in the coming week. Stochastic at bottom trying to look upwards. MACD is in green. It is converged a bit. It can still continue to rise from here. RSI rising. Thus, also let's have a look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, moving averages have converged. It is not yet crossed over. It has formed the base here. It is trying to break past by on the upside. Certainly, the bullish momentum may prevail. We have to watch out. As long as 2260, 2280 zone is respected, do not treat silver as bearish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. It will try to consolidate here. The MACD, look at MACD. This is just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upside. RSI is looking upwards. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profit next week. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can reserve and book your seats and find the curriculum on my platform www.forexwanda.com. Now, if you visit the site under the forums of gold and silver, see I have mentioned in the summary for 27th of October. If you look at this is the 27th October summary I have posted myself. You will find today we may see a probable reversal and a rise, and the day before range was perfectly respected. Beyond 2290 we can look forward to the rise, but only confirmation, bullish confirmation is above 2320. It has perfectly respected these levels here. And on the down, the selling was mentioned at 2278, but with a caution, as long as 2260 40 zone is respected, we are going to see a probable reversal. That is what has happened. Also, this you will find in the forums, and this is an interesting platform. Not only you'll get the forums, you can initiate your own discussion, and under the announcement batch, under the mentorship, you will find the curriculum for my mentorship batch, and also along with the fees details. And yes, you'll find a form to fill up and also there is a book and pay option as well. So you can pay there and book your seats. Also, this platform is created with the intent to provide everything under one single umbrella. You will find the economic calendar with the historical prices, with the future projections at the current live data release. Everything is available under economic calendar. Markets data and charts are also available here. You can see this. You can get the live prices here, and yes, you can create your own analysis for anything: stocks, funds, futures, forex, CFD, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, anything. You can find out and create your own analysis, and live charts is available. And at the same time, if you have any requirement of a consultation with me, you can book a call here. You can schedule a call. This consultation can be related to any of your trading needs, be it your existing positions, be it your the positions if you want to take on a futuristic trend for any instrument throughout the globe. Yes, we can have a discussion and consultation on same. Just book a call. Thus visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. Now looking at this, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy silver 2320 levels. Yes, beyond this time I will be looking forward to 2350 directly, and then beyond that 2375 levels. If it stays above this 2420, 2450. Now you can note these are greater resistance level. The minor resistance on the daily charts I will share in my daily update, but yes, these are going to be the greater resistance level, and bullishness is going to increase. You can also note the distance here. The distance for the next resistance is little far, and thus the bullishness might prevail here for a while. We can look forward to this zone to this zone. There is a probability, a higher probability, that it can scale towards this zone. Beyond this 25 is the next milestone. If not this week, then in the sometime in the next month. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2280 levels only, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail, below which you can say that we are going to look forward to 2260, 2240, 2220 levels now, and then $22 levels. Now remember one point, this is the zone, complete zone, where we have maximum support for silver. As long as 2240 is respected next week, do not treat silver as bearish. It can bounce back strongly. Now couple of observations here. First thing is, we may see highs in the next couple of sessions itself. The FOMC minutes and the interest rate decision may show you pullback towards again the lower levels at 2350, 2340, and the non-farm payroll can again reverse the trend. So yes, largely it may stay bullish, but yes, it is going to be a volatile week. It can show you swings that you have to trade with caution. Remember, on the downside 2240, greater support levels 2240, 60, 80, and this complete zone you have to watch out. In fact, one can initiate a buying position at around these levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. Join my free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily update as well. Just press the bell icon. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.